Ever thought about parenting plants? Let me take you on an interesting journey into the world of plant parenthood. Picture a world where you can cultivate lives, but these lives are not your typical human beings. Rather, they are green, delicate, and just as beautiful. They are plants, a different kind of offspring that can add vibrancy and freshness to your life. Think of seedlings as newborns. Just like a newborn baby, they require a lot of care, attention, and love. They crave warmth, water, and indirect sunlight. You see, they are just beginning their journey in this world and need the right conditions to grow. Imagine the warmth being the mother's hug, the water being the milk, and indirect sunlight being the gentle lullaby sung to them. The life of a seedling is delicate and every moment vital in its growth process. After the seedlings phase, they enter their juveniles phase, or what we fondly call plant toddlers, learning to walk, stumbling, and yet getting up again. It's a phase of exploration and growth. They need less water, more light, and plant food. The balance shifts just like the changing needs of a growing child. But do remember, every plant is unique, each having its own personality and needs. Some may love sunbathing in the bright afternoon sun, while others may prefer the cool shade, protecting themselves from the harsh sunlight. Just as every child is different and possesses his or her own distinctive characteristics, the same goes for our plant children. Understanding their individual needs, wants, and habits can be a fulfilling journey, much like understanding your own child. There's nothing like the joy of seeing your plant babies grow, their leaves unfurling, their stems reaching towards the sky, their roots spreading wide and deep. It's a slow process, but one that's worth every moment. You will have to face some challenges, yes, but the rewards are limitless. The pride of seeing a plant you have nurtured from a seedling to a full-fledged plant is unparalleled. And while you're on this journey, remember to enjoy each phase. Celebrate the first leaf, the first bud, the first flower. Each milestone is important, and each one deserves just like you would capture your child's first steps, their first words, their first day at school. Capture these moments of your plant babies too. These memories are precious and will stay with you forever. Are you now ready to embark on this beautiful journey? Ready to raise some plant babies of your own? You may not know it yet, but you have a green thumb just waiting to be exercised. Embrace this green thumb today, nurture it, and watch your plant family grow, flourish, and bring joy to your life.